top up o ang pagbili ng e-voucher para idagdag sa credit balance ng driver. Gamit ang GCash ATM, maaaring bumili ng e-voucher para malagyan ng load ang driver's credit balance. Para sa mga peers, siguraduhin na may sapat na balance ang inyong GCash ATM. Grab e-voucher. Where can I get funds for my GCash account? You can get it from the Grab incentives straight to your GCash account. You can cash in to any Globe store or GCash partner outlets like 7-Eleven, Villarica Pawn Shop, Tambunting, or Pure Gold. There is no service fee if you cash into your own mobile. Available denominations for Grab e-voucher are 50, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, at 2,000 pesos. There's a charge of 5 pesos for every purchase of the voucher regardless of the amount or denomination. How do you avail Grab e-voucher? 1. You must be registered to GCash in your mobile number. 2. You must have enough GCash to fund your Grab e-voucher. 3. To purchase, just dial *143, *9, *8, *1, *1, number sign. Parehong makakatanggap ng text confirmation ang peer at driver kung saan makikita ang 16-digit code na e-voucher. To top up the 16-digit code, tap the credit balance, enter the 16-digit code, and press confirm.